my God, kinakabahan na ako. I'm just gonna blend for like 10 minutes. Naputol. Hey guys, it's your girl Cheska and welcome to my channel. So we are back again for another video, and this time I'm going to do a makeup challenge. Okay, dahil challenge ako ng aking beshi na si Z. At marami na din gumawa nito, guys. Ayan, sa ating community. Of course, there's Ate Harvey the Mighty, there's Ate Coco Jam, Ate Nanay Family. Ayan, at kung sino-sino pa. And this is my turn. My God, kinakabahan na ako. Anyway, ano nga bang makeup challenge to? So, simple lang to, guys, actually. I will be doing my makeup. Daily makeup lang. Pero, ang twist ay, bawal akong gumamit ng brushes. Which is, okay, but hindi rin ako pwedeng gumamit ng salamin. Oh my goodness, beshi, why me? Wait lang. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos every week. And without further ado, if you would like to know how I will do my makeup without any mirror and any brushes, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so my face has been prepped already for makeup, meaning meron na akong skincare, same moisturizer, toner, and everything. I promise you guys, walang mirror. And then this flip screen is... And now, excuse me if it's messy, pero ito yung primer ko from Elana Cosmetics. I can't see if I'm focused or not, so bear with me. Again, this is my primer. Okay, para mabilis. Blending is key, guys. Ayan. Sige, mag-headband ako. My God, para ako nanguhula na ewan, nangangapa. Okay, so I am working with cream products so that, you know, it's easier to blend. Hindi ko nakikita, so gusto ko pa sana mag-color correct, but I wouldn't risk it. Charot. Okay, so this is really how I do my everyday makeup. I mean, hindi ako nagpo-full on foundation. I just conceal my under eye, so and around the nose para yung redness and yung eyelids as well. Ba't ako nag-i-English? Sorry guys, ganito talaga ako. Feeling ko nag-tutorial ako kahit challenge naman to. Okay. I'm just gonna blend for like 10 minutes. Tarata! I have like scarring. Oh my God, kapa-kapa. Somewhere here, so just, you know, blend, blend, blend hanggang may i-blend. Okay, so hindi ako nagpa-powder, guys, on an everyday basis, and I don't have any powder with me, so let me go straight to blush on. Ayan. Again, this is a cream product. And on my lids as well. Okay. Doing my kilay. Doing my kilay ang arte mo. Charot. This is from Caroline. Ito yung Wow Brow Liner nila. So, ito yung manipis na side, which is good. And ito yung pang fill out ng gaps. Naputol. Anyway. Feels good to me. Bahala na. Mag-highlighter ako. I am going to use this ColourPop. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Poker Face. Of course, you guys know that you can't miss highlighter. And if you know me, itong favorite part ko. Okay, so we're going to put something in the eyes. Ano daw? Mag-eyeshadow tayo. Very, very light. Very, very light. This is what I'm going to use. And again, wala siyang mirror. So, yeah. Isang color lang, guys, yung ginagamit ko. Ito lang. Okay. Yeah, let's go for the under eyes. I hope that's fine. Mag-curl na ako ng lashes. Oh my god, medyo nakakatakot to. Anyway. And right straight into mascara. Try ko mag-bronzer, guys. Wait lang. Again, there's no mirror. Hindi ako nagko-contour, guys. So, okay na to. And then, magdadagdag ako ng blush. Just this one. And more highlighter just to cover kung ano man yung mali ko. Blind them haters. Charot! My god, my god, my god, my gulay! I'm going to use Tevian lipstick. Ito yung MAC Tub. Right now, I have lip moisturizer pero hindi ko na siya alisin dahil medyo drying to. So, okay, so I think we're done. Yeah, wait lang. So, tapos na ako mag-makeup. And, of course, it's time to reveal this creation. Ayun na, nakaangat niya yung flip screen, pero nakatakip siya. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Highlighter pa more. Ayan. Hindi ako nagsalamin, guys, or anything. Walang daya to. Kita niyo naman, walang brushes. Okay. May dumi-dumi pa ako sa mukha. Okay. So, syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang montage. So, taga lang. I hope you like the look na nagawa ko. Sana nabigyan ko ng hustisya ang challenge na ito. Actually, sanay ako finger lang ang gamit. Pag nagme-makeup, ayan, dahil yun nga, cream-based yung gamit ko on a daily basis. And then, ayun lang. Basic lang naman. So, happy na ako dyan with this look. At yung kilay, girl. May lampas pa yung lipstick ko. It is really challenging. Kaya, Beshi, Z, sana natuwa ka. At kayo din, guys, na nagre-request ng video na to for me. I hope you like this. And if you did, don't forget to like this video. And let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!